Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that at least 5 Jamaican athletes have tested positive for COVID-19 and will have to remain in Kenya until they return negative results. While there has been no official word from the Jamaican delegation, TVJ Sports has been informed that of the 5 cases up to this morning Jamaica time, and there were 3 females and 2 males. Over the last 2 days of the championships, 3 Jamaican athletes failed to report for their respective finals. There were notable absentees in the final of the women's 100-meter hurdles, 400 meters on Saturday, while 1 athlete did not show for the women's 400-meter hurdles final during Sunday's closing session. TVJ Sports reached out to head coach of the team, David Riley, who said he could not speak on the matter. Messages to team manager Michael McIntosh were read, but no response followed. It's believed that the delegation is now awaiting results from a final round of testing before they depart from Kenya. Meanwhile, track and field coach Kilando Goburn believes the performance of Jamaican athletes must be assessed on the backdrop that the World Athletics Championships or the World Under-20 Championships were forced to be held in August.
I think it was a decent performance by the Jamaican team, especially by the fact that this championship was at the back end of August. Under normal circumstances, these championships would have been early to mid-July. So basically, it would have taken the Jamaicans, some additional or extra effort in order to prepare for these championships. A number of the outgoing seniors had exams, so they had to be juggling their external examinations at the same time while preparing for the championships. So, I think it's a creditable performance.
Goburn also highlighted the all-round achievements of the team as major success.
I thought he looked good in the
We also won medals across the board, which is testimony that, we are growing as a nation, not only on the track but in the field. We saw us winning medals in the horizontal jumps, and we also won a medal in the men's discus, with also another personal best. So those were very encouraging.
Now, members of the 41-strong contingent to the Games are expected to start arriving in the island on Monday.